Well, we mustered all of 50 degrees today in Roanoke. Temperatures right now have cooled down just a bit. We're at 45 in Lynchburg. The warmest places tend to be to the west, as I said. Some warmer air has moved in there. As you look out to Bluefield, 53 degrees right now. Norfolk, though, pretty warm, too, at 52 degrees. Washington, D.C., 41. You can look around some of the others, even Blacksburg there in the New River Valley, very nice at 50 degrees. Let's take a look at the current conditions here in Roanoke. And the temperature right now is 45 degrees here. Relative humidity is at 47%. The barometer is steady at 30.45. Winds now out of the east at 8 miles an hour. Our high again, 50 degrees. The low this morning, 33 degrees at around 4 o'clock in the morning. Well, if you had a chance to look up at the sky today, you saw some clouds, but you saw some breaks in the clouds today as well. And you can see that going on here in the latest satellite picture. Really a couple of things going on here. This batch of clouds stretching from the mid-Atlantic up into New England, just part of some warm air that's overrunning cold air in the eastern United States. But back here a little farther to the west, this is some prefrontal cloudiness, and it's bringing some precipitation. Look at the radar imagery. Rain back here across parts of Arkansas, stretching on up into Indiana. But as you go north, that freezing precipitation we've been talking about now for a couple of days has finally hit Pennsylvania and New York. There is a freezing rain advisory there in northeastern Pennsylvania. Winter weather advisories on even for parts of New York, now extending into Vermont and Massachusetts. As this freezing precipitation finally moves off, there's some more coming in. We can see it on this picture. It's showing up as snow right now across Minnesota, and it's kind of scattered as it looks here, but it's getting a little bit better organized and will be affecting the weather of the United States, at least the central United States, over the next couple days, again with some more of that freezing rain type of stuff that we have been seeing. Latest picture from space, we put the surface features on it. We have this cold front here. This is that prefrontal cloudiness coming in ahead of the front. The high pressure system you see right there has been giving us the precipitation. You know that around a high we have a clockwise flow of air. That has been bringing warm, moist air up from the south, triggering the clouds and some showers to the north. Out to the west, once again, a low pressure system coming in. They're expecting more snow over the mountains of Oregon and Washington, especially in the Cascade Range and Siskiyou Range of Oregon. Here's what it looks like for tomorrow. We'll move the front on a little closer. You can see we'll be just about on the line. Some rain is possible here later in the day, especially. Best chance late tomorrow and into Tuesday morning. As this system comes through, it will be a warm system. Temperatures will not drop all that much. As you can see here, 50s and 60s, 80s even over Florida for January. And we'll be right about on the line, meaning we'll be pretty close to 60 degrees tomorrow. Let's take a look at our Roanoke area forecast for Roanoke and Lynchburg tonight. Mostly cloudy. 40 degrees will be the low. And tomorrow, we'll expect showers late and a high of 58. Not a real vigorous storm. Martinsville and Danville tonight, mostly cloudy, about 42 degrees. And then for tomorrow, mostly cloudy and 56. Same thing there, rain developing maybe late. New River Valley tonight, mostly cloudy, 42. Tomorrow, about 58 with some possible showers in the evening. And for West Virginia tonight, mostly cloudy, breezy, 44 tomorrow. Cloudy with showers possible late, 58 will be the high. Here's your 5-day forecast. Notice a chance of showers, especially Tuesday morning, again on Thursday night. Otherwise, kind of dry period sandwiched in between the rain. Generally warm with 50s for highs through Thursday, maybe cooling down just a little bit by the end of the week. All
right, well, you said it was 50 in Roanoke today. I would have bet a little higher. It felt warmer.
The sun felt good at the time.
It sure did. All right, thanks, Steve. Coming up next in sports, Pat Frizzell will have reaction from the Redskins as they prepare for their matchup against the 49ers. And it's the biggest comeback in the NFL as the Oilers and Bills do battle in today's wild card playoff game. Don't go away. Sports is next.